English you can live in. Mail smarts. I check the rates for letters and packs, domestic or abroad. I watch the tracks. Delivery times pop up on my screen. Apps show options, fast or routine. Priority, standard, or economy. I choose the right one smartly. Tracking numbers let me see where my package happens to be. Customs forms filled digitally, international mail moves quickly. Knowing rates keeps me on track. Shipping is easy with my app stack. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.